Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, swipe down from the top of the screen like so, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. One of those should be a screen recorder one. If it's not visible on the first page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages, and you can see that's where the toggle is located for me. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. Once you click right here to stop the recording, this will automatically save it to your Photos application. And opening it up, you can navigate to Collections, and under Collections you'll find Videos, and that's where the screen recording is located. Now it does record microphone, so you hear this kind of like scratching noise from the pen itself, which does sound pretty ridiculous to be honest, but in any case, for this, if you're planning to record something using the pen, you might need to disable the microphone, and you can do so by just navigating back into the panel right here, and instead of tapping on the screen recorder, you can hold it, and this will here allow you to change what kind of sound is recorded. So we have mic, mute, system, and both. So choose whichever one applies to you. Anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.